I'm Austin Van Loo, co-owner of Fasthouse Performance Diesel. Fasthouse Performance is located in Pueblo, Colorado. We specialize in diesel repair, one-off builds, performance stuff, things like that. Fasthouse started actually in the shop at my house. We literally would get off work. We had, customers that would come to the house. We would repair their trucks, bigger turbos, injectors, just simple things we could do in the garage. It just kind of blew up. I was having like 20 trucks in my driveway at a time, and it was kind of like, hey, we either got to get a shop or do something else here. I think the work that we do here kind of explains itself. We do like the performance side of it. It's always fun to make things go fast, but the SEMA trucks, they are more fun because you literally took a stock truck and turned it into, a masterpiece like this. It's our passion, it's what we do, It's, some people are into roping fucking cows. We're into building trucks, and I just kidding.
That's good. You gonna take all day doing that exhaust stuff?
Shut the f up.
There's our gag reel.
We share work, ideas, we help each other out. If one person has an issue, we'll help them figure it out, because in the long run, that just helps everybody.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull a dry test. I can't tell if it's coming from the transfer case or the eye.
Honestly, if something needs to be done, we're gonna talk about it, we're gonna get it done. And I think we're all willing to sacrifice what we have to kind of accomplish that goal that we have in mind at the end of the day. And when you bring a team like Fasthouse together and you're able to do that, I think we kick out a better quality than our competitors.